Hi, I'm Ross from Play Wild, and in this video we're going to be looking at using the Play Wild Tree Swing Swivel with the Play Wild 40-inch saucer tree swing. In the box there are three items: the 30 kilonewton swivel and two 25 kilonewton carabiners. 30 kilonewton swivel is rated at 6,500 pounds. So here you can see we've got the tree swing set up in a fairly standard configuration using the two carabiners that came with it, plus the two Play Wild tree swing hanging straps. Now, in order to hang the tree swing with a swivel, we can dispense with the two carabiners that came with the swing for now. And then it's simply a matter of bringing the two loops at the top of the hanging ropes together, feeding the carabiner through both of them, like so. And then we're going to put the swivel through the carabiner here. Once you've done that, it's a good idea just to lock off this carabiner by spinning this gate clockwise so that it moves up and locks the carabiner closed. Next, pass the second carabiner through the top of the swivel, and then you can pass the carabiner through the two D-rings like so and spin the gate up, and now the swing will spin, and it also has back and forth, left to right, and an arcing movement. In this case, because of the fact that the swing can now swing out to the side, you must make sure that you have plenty of clearance from any obstacles such as tree trunks or any other fixed objects that may be impeding the movement of the swing. In this case, and this is just an example, you can see that the swing is actually far too close to this tree trunk for safety. So we would need to move the mounting point for the swing further out on the limb of the branch. Now, the other thing I wanted to point out is that you can in fact just hang the swing from a single strap. These straps are more than strong enough to hold the tree swing and the users of the tree swing on just one strap. So that's another option, but at the same time it does have that left to right movement as well as the back and forth. So please make sure that you have plenty of clearance between any fixed obstacles. I hope you found this helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.